Good morning, everyone. My name is Eloïse Neff. I am currently the IT project manager for the GeoMSF program at MSF. It is a pleasure and an honor to be here with you and to co-present with INSER. We choose INSER as our solution partner after a robust RFP selection process in 2019, and here we are presenting to you the fruits of our hard work in 2020. GeoMSF is a digital transformation for GIS at MSF. It has been a 3-year-long program with the aim to establish an MSF global-wide one-stop shop for georeference data management and analysis. The program is considered a transformational investment for MSF. We have also had the good fortune of being fully externally funded by a private donor who believed in the impact and the objectives of the very innovative project. The main goals of the program are the following: to upgrade MSF's capacity to collect, visualize, and analyze data spatially, as well as leverage cross-cutting geographic information; to support informed decision-making through better understanding of the situation spatially; to increase the impact of MSF's emergency interventions; to center health services around patients and their specific needs through a better spatial understanding of the context; and ultimately to scale up existing GIS services to serve the demand of the global MSF movement. The program focuses on 3 main pillars. 1. A user-friendly online portal for all GIS services and products called the GeoMSF platform. 2. A robust scalable infrastructure. 3. New innovative geoproducts such as GeoApps and GeoServices. The GeoMSF program aims to provide awareness, access, and autonomy to all types of users, ranging from beginners GIS users to GIS specialists. The outcome of the program will be absorbed by the GIS unit to serve as the center of excellence for MSF globally. In January 2021, the GIS Center for MSF will launch its services thanks to the success of the GeoMSF program. GIS services were first introduced within MSF in a limited capacity around 2013. GIS demand and services soon grew organically and steadily after the value of it was seen during the Ebola crisis in 2014. However, this growth created some issues and concerns that we have now addressed via the GeoMSF program. So, what were the challenges of this program? First, replace the Map Center, an online tool but static repository, PDF maps, and a few dynamic applications. Secondly, data sharing between sectors and operations is done in an unstructured way through sharing of Excel files. Third, users in the field do not have access to the right GIS tools, and thus lack of autonomy to visualize and analyze own data. And last, quite importantly, the previous infrastructure needed to be reviewed from a lens of sustainability, maintainability, and scalability. The GeoMSF program team, in collaboration with INSER and the GIS unit, has worked diligently to address these issues by the creation of several tools. The GeoMSF platform that provides access to dynamic GIS products and services for collaboration, autonomy, and learning. The GeoBox for use in the field operations. Several new GeoApps, and of course, a solid architectural foundations using S3 and open source technologies. To summarize, the new geographic information system for MSF. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for the opportunity to share our story with you. The floor is yours, Flavien.
Thank you, Eloïse. Hello, I'm Flavien Rouiller. I'm product owner and project coordinator on INSER side for this project. My company, INSER, is the company that was chosen by MSF to develop this new platform. Today, I'm going to present you some of the key features of this GeoMSF platform. Keep in mind that the version I'm showing you is not the one that is in production, but it is very close to the released product. The features that we are going to see today are the catalog, which is a place for MSF to centralize and share its maps and its geographical data, and the MSF Mapper and My Geospace, which is a place for the users themselves to create and share geographical data. So, enough talking, let me introduce to you the GeoMSF platform. Here's their homepage, and the first feature I wanted to introduce to you is the catalog. So MSF needed to centralize its collection of maps, data, and other geographical products in a place. Items needed to be easy to search, and the user needed to have several ways to filter and find the desired product. The result is this catalog. Let me show you an example of how a user might search for relevant maps and data for a case. So let's say I'm searching for a map about Ebola. So I go to the search bar and simply start typing Ebola. I have relevant recommendation that shows. So the first one is Ebola. And I find 500 items for Ebola. They are in pages, and I can show you on the map that they are also geolocated. If I want to refine my search, I can use the filters on the left side of the catalog. For instance, if I want to search for maps that are about or located in Uganda, I can use this filter by country and simply start typing Uganda. I will find 3 maps about Ebola in Uganda. You can see them here and see the result here. So let's say the first one is the one I'm interested in. So I can click on it, and I have a detailed windows about these items that appear. So I can see that there is a title, some description, some metadata. I can also see here where this map is located, exactly what area it covers. Finally, if I'm interested in this map and this is the real one I wanted, I can click here and download it to my computer so that I can view it in full resolution. I wanted to take a moment to show you the architecture behind the catalog. It's interesting because we are taking documents from several sources. For instance, in SharePoint, most of the documents are stored there. The map makers and the product manager can go in SharePoint, store the maps, store other items, documents, and manage their metadata there. We also have some documents that are coming from the S-Reward as a services or directly from the GeoPortal that we set up for MSF. We are taking all these documents into FME, which is an extract, transform, and load software. So FME is receiving all these sources and crunching them together to load them into Elasticsearch. The catalog is then asking Elasticsearch through an API for the search results, which Elastic is serving to it. So let's go back to the catalog and let me show you the other part of this GeoMSF platform. So let's say that instead of static maps, I was looking for data. I wanted to see data. So I can filter here for data and then see the data that is available to me in this catalog. Let's say I want to see the airports. Instead of downloading the map, I can directly add it to what is the MSF mapper. So let's do it. and see the MSF mapper. So welcome to the MSF mapper. You can see that the airport I just added from the catalog are here displayed on the map. And I will show you one of the things that you can do in this mapper. As a user, you can draw new points, for instance, on the map. Let's say I want to add the point here, name it Geneva, and save it. And then I want to display it with another symbol, which will be the cross, and let's put it green and save it. What's interesting is that users that are working on projects like this can share them with other users of the organization. For instance, if I go to the My Geospace, you saw that this project is called GeoNG Demo. So I go to My Geospace and I find my GeoNG Demo project. I can click here and share it with someone else from the organization. For instance, Eloïse, that talked to you just before, and share. And she will now receive my project and she will be able to see it the same way as I'm seeing it. So it's an interesting way to share quickly data between members of the organization. This lightning talk is reaching its end. I hope you enjoyed the visit of the GeoMSF platform. You can contact us directly during the GeoNG event on our virtual booth or attend one of our sessions, which will be very interesting. You can also contact us directly on our website or by email. We would be very happy to discuss with you, show you more details, and discuss some aspect of our work. Thank you very much.